and good morning class 10 students. In the previous classes we have learned about sexual reproduction in plants. From today onwards we are going to learn the same process, that is sexual reproduction method in case of animals. In your syllabus you have in case of human. Before we start, we should revise that sexual reproduction involves formation of gametes, male gametes from the male body and female gametes from the female body. Sexual reproduction involves fusion of these two. Fusion, the process is fertilization, right? Fusion of male and female gamete, that is fertilization, result into formation of the new cell called zygote. The new single cell, that is zygote. Hence, zygote is the first cell in the life of an animal, because this zygote redivides many times. This zygote redivide many times and zygote divides by the process of mitosis, whereas formation of gamete involve the process of meiosis. So zygote, once formed, it divides repeatedly by the process of mitosis, in which one cell divides into two equal cells, two equal daughter cells, with equal amount of material in them. But in case of meiosis division, there is reduction in the reduction in the material of the cell, that is the parent cell. So in case of meiosis division, there are formation of 4 cells, 4 new gametes from the single parent cell. Therefore, during formation of gamete, we can see meiosis division. So in case of mitosis division, one cell divides into 2 equal cells, and it is seen in the vegetative cells. Vegetative cells divides by the process of mitosis. Here we can see, in case of mitosis, one parent cell divides and forms 2 daughter cells. Daughter cells then finally change into or transform into 2 parent cell again, mature into 2 cells. Okay, so vegetative cells or body cells divide by the process of mitosis. Now we'll see about meiosis. Meiosis is a cell division in which in case of meiosis division, one parent cell produces 4 gametes. The daughter cells, 4 daughter cells which are produced, finally transform into 4 gametes. So basically, it is a during the course of division, first the parent cell divides into 2, then in the next level, both the two cells finally produce 4 gametes. Therefore, 2n is reduced to n number in the gametes. Whereas in case of mitosis, it remains the same. In case of mitosis, division, daughter cells also maintain the 2n number in them. Now we'll move on to the gametes. Male gamete from the human body is known as sperm. A single mature sperm has these following parts. The first part is known as head. This head portion is the most important part, because during penetration, this head part, the nucleus actually penetrate into the female gamete. Next part is middle piece, and finally it is the tail. So tail help in tail part in the structure helps in the movement, or due to the tail, the sperm can swim in the vaginal fluid. Here is the structure of the female gamete, that is human ovum or egg. Sperms produced are many in number. Sperms produce numerous or many in number, whereas ovum or egg is produced singly every month. So, male gamete and female gamete fuse together and sexual reproduction proceeds. Now we learn about the structures of male and female reproductive parts in human.